Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live draw for the 2015 European Mixed Team Championships. The final, which will be played from 11 to 15 of February 2015 in the Belgian city of Leuven. What we will do today is we will conduct the draw for the 4 groups in the tournament. The group stage will be played on 11 and 12 February. The draw today will be between 12 teams that are going to be divided into 4 groups. Group number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Originally 33 teams entered this competition. 28 of those played in the qualification stage in November, of which 7 made their way to the final stage. Those 7 teams, they were Ireland, Netherlands, France, Scotland, Poland, Spain and Sweden. And those 7 teams, they will be joining the 5 directly qualified teams for the final. It will be the host from Belgium, and then it will be the 4 best qualified teams in Europe, the highest ranked teams in Europe: Denmark, England, Germany and Russia. Denmark, England, Germany and Russia, they have been seeded before going into the draw, so these 4 teams are automatically placed in the groups 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will now draw the 8 remaining teams into those 4 groups on a random basis. Sophia, next to me, will draw the team, while I will then be drawing the group of which the team will go into. Sophia, will you draw the first team?
The Netherlands.
The Netherlands, they will go into group number 1 alongside top-seeded team from Denmark. Moving on with the next team.
Ireland.
Ireland, who won their qualification group on home soil in Dublin. And Ireland, they will go into group number 2, where they will play their neighbours from England. Ireland in group number 2.
Scotland.
Scotland is the 3rd team being brought forward, and Scotland will go into group number 3, where they will be placed together with the reigning champions from Germany. Germany, who won the European Mixed Team Championships in 2013. Moving on with the 4th team.
Poland.
Poland is the 4th team. Poland, who will be organizing the final stage in 2017. And Poland, they have also been drawn in group number 1. So Poland will be playing Denmark and Netherlands in the group stage.
Spain.
Spain, who won the close qualification group that was played in Iceland. Spain, they will be placed in group number 3, where they will conclude the group with Germany and Scotland. Three teams are left to be drawn.
Sweden.
The Swedish team, who won their qualification group that was played in Tallinn in Estonia. And Sweden, they will go into group number 4, where they will join Russia.
France.
And France, who won their qualification group when they organized it on home soil. And France, they will go in as the last team in group number 4, and France will therefore be joining Russia and Sweden. And the final team,
Belgium.
that was the Belgian hosts, and they will go into group number 2. So Belgium, they will be up against England, and they will be up against Ireland. That concludes the draw for the 4 groups. I will just take you through the groups Group number 1 consists of top-seeded Denmark, the Netherlands and Poland. Group number 2, it will be England, Ireland and the host from Belgium. Group number 3 is Germany, Scotland and Spain, while the last group, group number 4, is Russia, Sweden and France. The group matches will be played over 2 days on 11 and 12 February, and followed by those group matches there will be a draw for the knockout stage, and that draw will be held at the event in Belgium. On a final note, all information about the tournament you can find on the official website for the tournament. It's www.emtc15.eu. Here you can see the draw, you can see the schedule as soon as it's published, but you will also have the chance to get your tickets for the event with a discount, and you'll be able to win free tickets for the event. Furthermore, if you're not able to join the tournament when it's being played in Belgium, you will be able to follow it all live on the Badminton Europe YouTube channel, and that is from 11 to 15 February 2015. Thank you very much for watching the live draw.